Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the theme in Google. Changing the theme in Google can give your experience a fresh new look. Whether you want something bright and vibrant or sleek and minimalist, I'll guide you through the process. So to get started, open the Google app on your device. Look for the three horizontal lines here. So this is what we call three horizontal lines, or the hamburger menu. Let's click and then next locate and tap or click the settings option. This will take you to the general settings for the Google app. So all you have to do now is to click appearance and then click this one. Click the theme option and then search for any themes. So click that one, the themes, and then search for themes that suits your taste. For example, you want themes, minimalist theme. And then Google will give you options to choose from. So please click this one, for example, and then here. So I do have my preferred theme right now. So here's the one. I want this because I like pink. So all you have to do is to click add to Chrome. So once you've made your selection, you'll notice that Google's appearance has transformed to match your chosen theme. It's that simple. And that's it. You now know how to change the theme in Google. Personalizing your experience can make using your device a lot more enjoyable and reflective of your taste. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change the theme in Google. Remember, little tweaks like this can make a big difference in how you interact with technology. See you on my next video.